Good morning. This is teacher Jacob. This video is for grade 8, and today it's July 14th, 2020. So remember, you need to write here in this part the date. So you're going to write here July 14th, 2020. And the class for today is very special because it's going to be about listening skill. And we are going to do three activities. One, two, and three activities. Okay? Before that, I need is you understand what is the purpose of this class. What is the idea that you understand that if you are interested in learning English, I insist you need to listen 1, 2, or 3 hours every day. In your case, my suggestion is that you listen every day 1 hour or 2 hours. Nevertheless, something that you can do is just watch the teacher Jacob's videos, and then you listen. For example, this listening class, you can listen around 3 times, not only one, 3 times. Then you can understand on the listening skill. I mean, you can understand better what are you doing. Okay, so now let's go. According to this class, what we're gonna do it's three activities and nothing else, just to listen and pay attention. So let's go number 4. This is about vocabulary. What you need to do is to write one of these letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I in one of these gaps or spaces, these lines. And so, for example, connecting to the internet. What is it? Is this, or this? So you're going to have time to complete this and you can do it. Connect on an online account. All right? Account. So account, I mean, it works especially when you are paying something, when you pay online or something like that. Electronic email. So notice this email you write here. So activity 1 is just try to find the easy phrase. Short piece of video. Short. It's not long. Short piece. Video clips. So you write here video clips because it's not. A way of connecting to the internet without cables. Not cables. So Wi-Fi, yes, it is. And so on. So don't forget that you need to write. Suggestion is write first the meanings or write the phrases that you understand right first. I mean, for example, different computers connecting together. Different computers connecting together. So what is this? So many computers connecting together. Could be a website network. Yes, could be. Or webcast. So one of these is the answer for this. This is also very simple too. It is transfer files from the internet to a computer. So from one side to another side. So you can send videos. Yes, could be this or this. All right. Writing. According to these definitions, you need to write one of these words here. My school starts at 9. I open my, and you need to write my email, all right. And then yes, we have Wi-Fi, so we connecting. So according to these definitions, you need to write the words here, okay? Now, let's go for the class. Go to the class. Writing paragraphs describing how you use your computer. Well, we are not going to do that because that's not what we are studying. So let's go to the listening skill. Listening, learn any word. So remember, this is connecting also with the reading that we have already read. I mean, we had already read the reading about how to learn using internet or something like that. So listen. So we're gonna do exercise 1, 2, and 3. Listen, 28, track to the webcast and underline the topic. So what is the main topic? A geography class, an introduction to new students, or exams. So listen carefully and then you tell me what is it, okay? Let's go, let's do it. So this is a conversation between Gary and Dr. Edmonds. Gary, first of all, thanks everybody for logging on today and welcome to our radio webcast. In just a moment, we're going to talk to the doctor of our program, Dr. Hilary Edmonds, and she is going to explain how our distance learning program works. Dr. Edmonds. Thank you, Gary. And hello to all our new students in different parts of the country. Welcome to the distance learning program. It's wonderful to talk to you. I know you want to get started on the program. So I am not going to talk very long. I don't want to bore you. I just want to go to tell you about an important invention on the program this year. We're going to send you all the new tablets. Gary, wow! Are you going to send them soon, Dr. Emmons? Yes, we are. These tablets have a lots of new learning applications or apps that will allow you to study more easily. There is a language learning application that translate phrases into a different languages, and there is. All right, finished. So in this listening, we are talking about geography, a geography class, an introduction to new students, or an exam. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Right. The correct answer is B. Introduction. Introduction. The new. Introduction the new introduction to a new students. Yes, this is the title of the listening. Right. Now let's go to number 2. Listen again and circle the correct options to complete the sentences. So the WebCap is about a distance learning program or how to learn a new language. So you're going to choose one of them, okay? So one option is a distance learning program. The second option is how to learn a new language. All right? So let me read quickly for you. So, Gary, first of all, thanks everybody for logging on today and welcome to our audio webcasts. In just a moment, we're going to talk to the director of our study program, Dr. Hilary Edmonds, and she is going to explain how our distance learning program works. Dr. Edmonds, thank you, Gary, and hello to all our new students in different parts of the country. Welcome to the distance learning program. It's wonderful to talk to you. I know you want to get started on the program. So I'm not going to talk very long. I don't want to be boring you. I'm just going to tell you about an important innovation on the program this year. We're going to send you all the new tablets. Gary, wow, are you going to send them soon? Dr. Emmons? Yes, we are. This tablet has a lot of new learning applications or apps that will allow you to study more easily. There is a language learning application that translates phrases into different languages. And there it is. So, A, webcast is about distance learning program or how to learn a new language. I'll give you 5 seconds. Yes, the correct option is a distance, a distance, a distance. It is a distance. This here is a distance learning program. So you circle this area, and that's the answer. B. Let's go to letter B. The goal of the webcast is to teach geography, or here is another, to welcome new students. So I give you 5 seconds. So now, the goal of the webcast is to teach geography or to welcome new students. So the answer is to welcome new students, right? So let's go to the letter C. Dr. Hilary Edmonds is the director of the program, or she's a teacher. One option, a teacher, and the other is the program, director of the program. So I give you 5 seconds. Okay, according to the, remember this is very important too. If you don't understand at the beginning, what you can do is to go back, reward, and then you listen again. Remember, you can listen 3 times. So the answer in this is Dr. Hilary Edmonds is a director of the program. So this is the answer. And as of D, the program is sent to you. So this you do it in your house, okay? So the class is over. It's time. The time is